In this video, I'll show you how to do basic stretching in Photoshop. It's very easy to do. I've got a picture here of Horsehead Nebula, but it's pitch black and we need to do some stretching to bring out data. And to do that, we'll go to Image and Adjustments and Curves. Remember that curves shortcut is Control M because we will need more than one curve. Because this picture is very dark, we would need I think at least 3 or 4 curves at minimum. So the idea behind is that we have to slowly bring out details, and to do that we'll be using curves, and essentially you want to lift up the data in the shadows. Control M again. Let's try it again. We're slowly bringing out data. Let's try again. Okay, again. So the idea is until you see something resembling Horsehead Nebula, you've got to stretch this. As you can see, the image is emerging. Horsehead Nebula can be seen. Let's do the last one. Now you don't want to overstretch an image, just enough to see what's there. That's how you do stretching in Photoshop. As you can see, there's a sea of green here. We'll do color correction later in the next video. But for now, I just wanted to show you how to do basic stretching. Hope you enjoyed this video.